Hello students, today I am going to explain the lesson. It's raining. Let's understand what is the meaning of the word rain or raining. What happens when it rains? Can you tell me what happens when it rains? Water drops or droplets fall on the ground from the sky. So rain means drops of water falling from the sky. पानी की बूंदें जो आसमान से गिरती है उसे हम रेन कहते हैं, जिसे हिंदी में हम बारिश या वर्षा कहते हैं. Look here children, it is a picture of rain. Water drops and droplets are here. जो छोटी छोटी पानी की बूंदें होती है उसे ड्रॉपलेट्स कहते हैं. Look at the other picture. Water drops and droplets fall from the sky. Do you go out when it rains? No, we usually do not go out when it rains. But rain is very necessary for us. What happens in the sky before it rains? Have you ever observed the changes that occur in the sky before it rains? क्या आपने कभी यह ध्यान दिया है कि बारिश होने के पहले आसमान में क्या-क्या होता है? बारिश से पहले आसमान में काले बादल छा जाते हैं. Black clouds cover the sky before rain. But why? लेकिन ऐसा क्यों होता है? Why do black clouds appear in the sky? I will explain it, but before, let's learn two more words. First is hailing and second is snowing. Look here children, hailing and snowing. What is the mean by hailing and snowing? Look here. Hailing means pellets of frozen water or rain falling from the sky. Pellets of frozen water or rain falling from the sky. Hail या hailing का मीनिंग क्या है? Pellets of frozen water or rain falling from the sky. Okay. Snow or snowing means frozen ice crystals falling from the sky. Frozen ice crystals falling from the sky. Now let's understand what is the mean by rain. Rain means drops of water falling from the sky. Rain means drops of water falling from the sky. Now let's read the lesson. Drip drop, drip drop, drip drop falls the rain. It wets the land. It makes puddles on the ground. Drip drop, drip drop, drip drop falls the rain. It wets the land. It makes puddles on the ground. Drip drop, the sound of small drops of rain falling continuously. बारिश होती है तो जो साउंड होता है वो ड्रिप ड्रॉप कहलाता है. Puddles means small pools of water. बारिश के बाद छोटे छोटे गड्ढों में पानी जमा हो जाता है ना, उसे puddles कहते हैं. Puddles means small pools of water. Okay, children. Now look here. Now look here. Here are some words and their meanings. Drops of water, पानी की बूंदे. Droplets of water, पानी की छोटी बूंदे. Droplets, पानी की जो छोटी बूंदे होती है उसे droplets कहते हैं. Now, clouds, black clouds, white clouds. A mass of condensed watery vapor. A mass of condensed watery vapor floating in the sky. पानी के घने भाप जो आसमान में तैरते हैं. Okay. Vapor means very small drops of water in the air. Vapor means very small drops of water in the air, जिसे हम भाप कहते हैं. Drip drop, the sound of small drops of rain falling continuously. Drip drop means the sound of small drops of rain falling continuously. Puddles, small pools of water. Small pools of water. Okay, children. Note down these meanings in your notebook and learn these by heart. I will explain the lesson in next video. Okay, thank you.